Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, what if I told you the secret to thicker, stronger hair isn't new? For centuries, Indian women have used these sacred herbs to grow their hair super long and healthy. Long before chemical-infused hair products, women in India trusted the earth for their herbs. For centuries, they blended sacred herbs and oils, and in this video, we'll be showing you guys 6 powerful Indian herbs that we mixed and used to completely transform our hair. Now let's get into them. The first herb we'll be using today is neem. Neem powder is a powerhouse herb for centuries because of its incredible ability to purify, strengthen, and stimulate the scalp. The next herb we'll be using is Bhingraj. Known in Ayurveda as the king of hair, this herb revives dormant follicles, strengthens the hair from the roots, and promotes faster and thicker growth. The next herb we'll be using is Amla. This is formerly called the Indian gooseberry. It brings vitality as it is bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. It also protects, strengthens, and restores shine to the hair. The next herb we'll be using is hibiscus. Hibiscus is often called the flower of beauty as it coats every strand in moisture and softness. It reduces hair breakage while stimulating growth and adding shine. Next herb we'll be using are cloves. Cloves are warm, stimulating herbs that boost blood flow. It sends oxygen deep into your follicles to spark new hair growth. Last herb we'll be using today are curry leaves. Curry leaves are an incredible Ayurvedic ingredient for hair growth. They are rich in essential nutrients that strengthen the roots, it prevents hair loss, and it stimulates hair growth. Guys, another great herb to add into this hair oil is fenugreek seeds, but unfortunately we were out of it. Do add that to your hair growth oil if you want it to be super potent. It's time to place all of these ingredients into a pot and then you can add in your carrier oil. The carrier oil of choice today is extra virgin olive oil. We'll be using 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Gently add this into your pot. Now on to double boiling. We'll be using this double boiling method to heat up our oil indirectly for a better infusion. One thing about Indian oils is they are always heated up to infuse in really well. It's always potent because it's been heavily infused. To do this, we place our pot over another boiling pot with water inside so that the heat can transfer up indirectly into our pot. Once all this is set up, allow your oil to heat up for 20 to 30 minutes and stir occasionally. Indian hair is known to be very thick and long for a reason. This is due to the consumption of these Indian herbs, either orally or topically on the hair. The potency of this oil helps heal all kinds of hair issues, from thinning hairlines, to your bald patches, to alopecia, to weak and brittle hair strands. If you're struggling with hair fall or hair loss, this is a great oil to try. And if overall you're just experiencing slow hair growth, this is the perfect hair oil to try. These 6 mighty herbs aren't just ingredients. They are herbal medicine gifted to us by Indian soil. They're really powerful on their own, but they're even more potent when mixed together. Now it's time for draining. Once the mixture has cooled down, we then stored it for 10 days. This allows it to infuse further and be even more potent. Once the 10 days has gone by, it's time to strain your oil. You'll be using a wig cap to strain out the oil. You could also use a cheesecloth if you want to. Now for storage. Once your oil has been strained, carefully transfer it into a bottle for use. The oil is very potent and has 6 powerful herbs that are best used to boost hair growth. How to use this oil. To use this oil, part your hair in sections, preferably 2 to 4 sections, and use your oil dropper to evenly distribute the oil. A few drops go a long way. You then gently massage the oil onto your scalp evenly. Also use this oil to seal the body of your hair and the ends. This oil can be used 2 to 3 days of the week. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, you are a trooper. This oil is not for the faint-hearted as it has quite a number of powerful Indian herbs. But if you believe your hair deserves more than chemicals, if you believe in the healing nature of natural herbs, then this hair oil is for you. Do let us know down below if you'll be trying it or infusing more of these Indian herbs into your recipes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, let's get this video to 500 likes. And we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.